Hello, Blake here. I hope you're doing well, and I hope everybody at the office is doing well too. Tell them I say hi. I'm starting a new business with a partner of mine. Actually, we've been doing it for a while on the side, and but now it's something I'm doing full time, and I wanted to tell you about it because you're a friend, and I think maybe you could benefit from it. So I'm doing SEO now, and one thing I'm doing is video audits of different websites. So I'm going to do a quick video audit of your website and let you know what I find. So hopefully this is helpful to you. Now, I'm going to go over a few things. Please forgive me if it's very basic. You may already know all this, but I just want to tell you anyway, and sorry in advance. So, first off, Map Pack. You know what that is. Right now, you're not showing in the Map Pack. You're a few slots down. There's several reasons for that, but usually it just involves the trust of the site, the main site that location links to. And so I'll look at the trust of your site later. We can see what that looks like. But a very competitive market. Lots of dentists in the area. And I was looking to see where you're at. And what I did was, you have to go to Google, and you have to open an incognito window. If you open a regular Google window, it's going to know that you visit your own website a lot, and it's going to move that website up and artificially make it look like it ranks higher. If you open an incognito window and search for Garland Dentist, it'll give you a true showing of what anybody in Garland, if they search this, would see. So that's what I did. And so you're not on page 1 right now, but if I go to page 2, after the ads, here you are, right at the top of page 2. And honestly, I think you've been there for a while. I've checked it from time to time. It looks like you're kind of hanging out right here. So let me show you some of the things I looked at. So first, I pulled up the information on your site to check your title tag, meta, and H1 tag. Title tag looks pretty good. Normally, people search for the location in front of dentist, but either way, that's fine. Meta, for some reason, it's not showing up, but I saw you did have a good meta description. The tool didn't capture it. Overall, H1 and H2s all look pretty solid. So I can tell you've had somebody who knows what they're doing, take some time and work on this. So I'm wondering, okay, why aren't you ranking higher? So I went to majestic.com and looked at the trust flow and backlinks on your website. So your trust flow, that's, talks about the link quality. You can have links from sites that don't have any trust. You can have links from established sites that give your site more trust. And it looks like you do have some trust. You have a decent amount of backlinks, not a huge amount. And citation is actually decent. A lot of people don't utilize this, but you had somebody work on that, so that's good. So I compared this with another dentist who's right at the top of page 1. So My Ideal Dental. So they have a larger trust flow and just a ton of backlinks. They have somebody working on this all the time, so they're really advanced. And citation flow is also higher. So this is the competition. When I see this, I think, okay, this is what I have to beat. They have, 600 backlinks. I want to get 1,000 backlinks. They have a trust flow of 21. I want a trust flow of 40. I want to try to double what they got. And I'll look at content too to make sure that gets, well surpassed, not just barely surpassed. You don't want it to be close. You want to really blow them away. So that's the reason why trust flow and backlinks right now are the main reasons why you're not a little bit further up. But I was looking at your website. It's an amazing website. I love the layout. You've definitely spent some time and money on this. I don't know if you did it or not, but it looks really good. But I know I have the tools and expertise where I could help get you into page 1, and 96% of all clicks go to websites on page 1. That's for the map pack, for the ads, and for organic. And of that 90%, 87% are in the organic website clicks. So you're real close to getting there. You need that nudge to get you into page one and moving up, and then you're really going to have your website be a valuable marketing tool for you. So that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, just give me a call and let me know, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.